Welcome to the Craig Richardson Institute of Food Processing Technology. Barry Bremner, the technologist responsible for the operation of the pilot plant. We spent about $5 million building a plant representing full-scale production equipment so that we could train students for the industry. We have designed full-scale production for a full baking facility, full-scale production from raw ingredients right through to finished atmospheric packaging for a vegetable line, and raw ingredient through packaging for a beverage line. As far as the maintenance program goes, special set of skills are required. Special equipment, special understanding of working inside a food plant where preventive maintenance is necessity to keep that plant running 100% all the time. You can't have a reactive maintenance which allows you downtime. Downtime will cost you your bottom line every time. Right here we have the vegetable line behind us, and what it is for is raw product. Raw product is very different in the process in that there is no kill step, there's no pasteurization step. The product which feeds in this end is the exact same product at the other end that someone feels perfectly fine to pick up and eat. Obviously a good example of where a lubricant that is suitable for incidental contact with food product is necessary. If I used a non-food grade petroleum-based oil here and used it even in so simple as an oil lubricant for our pneumatics, that would vaporize, end up on my product, not get washed off and be an edible product at the end of the process. In the bakery section, obviously we have different mixers required to prepare the dough and pastries and products. One of the differences, primary difference between here and the vegetable line is the cleaning is done as dry cleaning. There is no soap and water, detergents brought into cleaning equipment. Therefore, lubrication that's added to process at any time to make sure you don't have aluminum and stainless gulling, you know is going to be on the product surface. It is going to have incidental contact with product, and you need to know that it's food safe. So taking a look at the back end of the bottling line, a lot of conveyors, a lot of air actuated cylinders, controllers, printers, everything in constant motion, everything they need lubrication. One of the ill-forgotten pieces of equipment on a process line is the packaging end, and is where most of your problems do occur. We have the most moving parts on this very single piece of equipment. We have a push plate that rides on a linear bearing, needs to slide in this little groove. We need these cylinders which are air operated to fire down. They need lubrication each time they fire. They're under load, and this is where we take a look at the longevity of an oil and how much pressure over time it can take and still have all of its lubricating features. Anything you do in a food processing plant needs validated. If you have multiple lubricants, even in a preventive maintenance program, you would then need a checklist. Did you use the right lubricant at the right place on the right time on the right day? So now you have a paper trail. With one lubricant in the plant, I always know I'm using the right one.